How to buy $KNCH KAANCH Network Token Pre-Sale Crypto Coin How to by KNCH ICO ETH Ethereum Uniswap Blockchain. Sup everybody, HelperDog here, stock investor and crypto enthusiast, back with another video. Today, we're diving into the KNCH Network Token, which is currently live for pre-sale on their website at KNCH.com. This is a brand new ERC20 token, and it's making some big waves. Let's go over all the key details about the KNCH network and how you can get involved in just 1 second. But first, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purposes, and I'm not recommending that you buy this token. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, since it can be very volatile. What is KNCH Network? The KNCH Network is an innovative Layer 1 blockchain aiming to redefine the way blockchain operates by offering incredible transaction speeds and near-zero fees. They boast an impressive 1.4 million transactions per second, TPS, 1-second block timing, and a network of 3,600 nodes. KNCH Network promises to bring scalable, high-performance blockchain technology with near-zero gas fees, making it faster, more affordable, and accessible for global-scale applications. The platform is designed to support Web3, enhance security, and provide a developer-friendly ecosystem. It's optimized for real-time transaction processing and offers seamless transfers of real-world assets across global markets. KNCH Network aims to provide decentralized transactions that are fast, secure, and affordable. Token details. KNCH Network is in the early stages of its launch, and the pre-sale is live now. If you're interested in buying, you can head over to their pre-sale page at pre-sale.knch.com, where they've listed the token's current price and details about the ongoing pre-sale stages. Right now, they're in stage 1 of the pre-sale, and the price is lower than it will be in later stages. How to buy KNCH Token? Get a wallet. You can use a Trust Wallet or MetaMask Wallet, which are available on Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or as browser extensions for PC. Fund your wallet. Deposit ETH or USDT into your wallet. You can do this from any centralized exchange. Connect your wallet. Go to the pre-sale site and connect your wallet. Purchase tokens. Enter how much ETH or USDT you want to spend, and the site will show how many KNCH tokens you'll receive. Simply click Purchase to complete the transaction. Claim your tokens. Once the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to claim your tokens. Keep in mind, sometimes pre-sale tokens are distributed early. Pre-sale phases. Currently, KNCH Network is in stage 1 of the pre-sale. As the project progresses, the price of the tokens will increase, so getting in early could be a good opportunity. Check the pre-sale website for more details on the price structure and how much they've raised so far. Security and audits. KNCH Network has taken steps to ensure its security with a full audit by SpyWolf. It's important to check out the audit and thoroughly go through the details to ensure the project is legitimate. You can find the audit report linked on their website. Community and support. The KNCH Network team is active on social media, including Twitter, with over 14,600 followers, and Telegram, with over 400 members. You can join their Telegram community to ask questions and interact with other community members. Final thoughts. KNCH Network is definitely an exciting project with big promises of fast transactions, near-zero fees, and scalability. However, as with any new project, there are risks involved, especially with pre-sales. It's important to thoroughly research and assess the project's white paper, audit report, and community feedback before making any investment decisions. Let me know in the comments below what you think about KNCH Network. Do you think it's a solid investment, or is it too early to tell? If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more daily crypto videos where I dive into the latest coins, tokens, and their utility. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there. Peace out.